Did you know that space is not completely empty? There's something called the cosmic microwave background radiation, CMB, which is the faint glow left over from the Big Bang. It's essentially the afterglow of the universe's creation, and it can be detected everywhere in space. This background radiation is a key piece of evidence for the Big Bang theory. Venus has an extremely slow rotation, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation on its axis. However, it only takes about 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun. So, technically, a day on Venus, the time it takes for the planet to spin once, is longer than a year, the time it takes to orbit the Sun. Olympus Mons on Mars is the largest volcano in the entire solar system. It's about 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers, high, which is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. It's also about 370 miles, 600 kilometers, in diameter, which is roughly the size of the state of New Mexico. Although space is a vacuum and doesn't transmit sound like it does on Earth, certain phenomena in space do create vibrations that can be converted into sound. For instance, NASA has converted radio emissions from planets like Jupiter into sound waves, and the result is surprisingly eerie and musical. These sounds help scientists study the atmosphere and magnetic fields of distant planets. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. These stars are so dense that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons. If you could stand on the surface of a neutron star, which you absolutely wouldn't be able to do to the intense gravity, you would weigh about 400,000 times more than you do on Earth. While most planets orbit stars, scientists have discovered a fascinating phenomenon: rogue planets. These are planets that are not bound to any star and drift through space. It's estimated that there could be as many or even more rogue planets in the galaxy as there are stars. Some of these planets might even have their own moons, creating a strange and mysterious environment far from any star's warmth. Astronomers have discovered planets in the habitable zone of other stars, where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. This is one of the key ingredients for life as we know it. One of the most intriguing candidates is Proxima b, a planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, the closest star to the Sun. While we don't yet know if it harbors life, it's an exciting possibility that we could find a second Earth in the vast expanse of space. Space is full of mind-blowing wonders that continue to surprise us as technology improves and our understanding deepens. The more we explore, the more mysteries unfold.